There's more.
Muscle us, man. You're trying to muscle me, man. All right,
He's the muscle guy. I just trying. All right, let me show you what we got. So we got gates, wall cladding, ceiling covers. You know now the fire that happened in Pacific Palisades. They had contractors push our wall cladding, fire resistant. Our fences, fire resistant. And then they get a roofer to do metal roof, which is also fire resistant. Will probably be 90% less chance, right, of these fires to spread like that. So we're Aluglobus. We're based in Cali, also Florida, Fort Lauderdale. And we produce these aluminum systems for gates, wall cladding, barbecue places. Basically a homeowner can buy a kit that is universal to everything he needs in his backyard and soffit too.
Oh, you got the camera running?
Down there.
Oh, he should have said, nah, man, I just work here. All right. You driving me over. What is the deal for me? The only reason I'm even saying that what's in it for me is because this is excellent. Excellent stuff. And let's talk, okay?
Yep.
Let's see. And by the way, all joking aside, this thing is a real deal. I do like
What did I say?
good quality.
Yep.
This is the thing that really got my attention when I came by. Because this is powerful, it is strong, and with all these home invasions and things going on, especially in Miami and LA,
and
all that other type of stuff, you need something because you need to be able to sleep secure and not have to worry about people coming.
And one more thing,
Yes.
don't have to worry about maintenance. This is rust-free, maintenance-free, aluminum,
I like it.
contractor grade. You can get it any color. You can even do our cladding in it. This is a system you need to invest in.
Okay. All right.
We'll meet in Fort Lauderdale.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Right.
much, of course.
Thank you.